What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are doing the Fallout 76, 1776, 2076 Vault-Tec Salutes America Xbox One X unboxing video game Tricentennial Edition. Yeah, it's a lot of words and a lot of saying for this game right here. Pretty dope, huh? Although I missed out on the Collector's Edition, I was able to get the Tricentennial Edition, which is your Xbox exclusive 500 Atomic Group. I think that's what it says. Oh, it's Atomic Shop. So this is an online multiplayer game. So let's go ahead, pop out the knife, start the unboxing, which that was quick. Take out the plastic. Bam. Let's see what we have. And of course, this does come with downloadable DLC content, which I will be giving away. So, ta-da! We have it here. Rage 2 Spring 2019. Really looking forward to that game. And there's Doom Eternal. You do have the additional content, and you got the warranty information, but here you go, Fallout 76, you got the Pit Boys. Ooh, what is this here? Claim your atoms today, 500. Oh, here you go, Xbox exclusive, take your code, take it or leave it. 1, 2, 3, bam, we're done. Here's another code, game add-on, do not discard, ne pas there. So this is a downloadable content code as well. Let me give you that, there you go. 1, 2, 3, and boom, shakalaka. So, boom, you got a code. Here you have the disc. Let's pull this out. It looks pretty dope. You got a little cog wheel, like a Gears of War cog and gear. And you got the 76. Oh man, I'm so excited to play this game. And this is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. 1776, 2076. The inside covers, you know, you get a little artwork and stuff like that. Usually you don't get nothing. You get like bland and blah. But this is pretty dope. I like this. Check this out. I don't know if y'all see this, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. I likes. All right, so this is the Fallout 76 Tricentennial Edition. So 4K HDR, Ultra HD, high dynamic range, Xbox single player and multiplayer 2 to 24. You do need 55 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, you get the Fallout 76 game, the power armor customizations, the weapon customizations, spectacular handsome vault by Mascot Head, patriotic Uncle Sam outfit, the Vault Boy saluting emote, the first class workshop posters, and the commemorative photo frame. So that is your DLC content, and of course I do give that away. But anyways, this is the unboxing of Fallout 76 Tricentennial Edition. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me show you this code one more time. Blow. Here goes the other one. Ta-da! Thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT, signing out, and I see you guys and gals later. Adios.